Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia, where we focus on improving your English skills. Today, we have a special B1 level listening exercise video designed to boost your comprehension and familiarity with common English terms, especially those used in a gym setting. Are you ready to expand your vocabulary and learn some practical language skills? Let's jump right in. In today's lesson, we will explore the gym, a place frequented by many for health and fitness. Our focus will be on understanding the various equipment and exercises that are part of a regular fitness routine. First up is the flat bench, a central piece in the weight room. Not only is it used for bench presses, an exercise fundamental for building upper body strength, but it's versatile enough for a range of other workouts. We'll discuss different exercises you can perform on the flat bench, highlighting its utility and importance. Next, we delve into other types of benches, such as the incline and decline benches, each offering unique benefits for targeting different muscle groups in the chest and shoulders. Alongside these, the seated benches, often set at a 90-degree angle, are perfect for specific exercises intended to enhance shoulder strength and flexibility. We'll also talk about the different weights used in these exercises. Dumbbells, small enough to be held in one hand but varied in weight, allow for a range of exercises that can enhance muscle tone and strength. Barbells, on the other hand, are longer and used with both hands, suitable for heavier lifting and are pivotal for comprehensive strength training. One cannot discuss the gym without mentioning the squat rack. Essential for leg days, the squat rack is a popular station often busy during peak hours. We'll explain why it's a critical part of strength training and how you can effectively use it when available. Moreover, for those who incorporate calisthenics into their routine, pull-up bars are indispensable. They challenge you to lift your own body weight, thus working out multiple muscle groups, particularly in the back and arms. Pull-ups are among the most effective exercises for developing upper body strength. In addition to these staple gym equipment, modern gyms are equipped with state-of-the-art machines designed to target every muscle group imaginable. From leg presses and bicep curls to hamstring extensions and shoulder presses, each machine offers a specific benefit, enhancing your workout experience. We'll explore these machines and discuss how they can be incorporated into your routine for optimal results. For cardio lovers, we will not forget the array of machines that help in cardiovascular health. The treadmill, ellipticals, stairmasters, and stationary bikes each play a role in improving endurance and heart health. We'll compare these options and discuss why some might prefer running outdoors to the monotony of a treadmill. Lastly, we will cover the various muscle groups that you can train in the gym, from the major ones like the chest, back, and legs, to the minor muscle groups including the abs, shoulders, and arms. Understanding these will help you create a balanced workout plan. I hope you find today's session informative and engaging. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your gym experiences or any questions you might have. Stay tuned for more English learning videos on English with Sophia. See you next time.